Spiritual meaning of yawning during prayer. Yawning during prayer or other spiritual practices can carry a range of interpretations, often reflecting the body and spirit's response to deeper energies. 1. Release of energy. Yawning may indicate a release of built-up energy or tension, creating room for positive spiritual energy to flow more freely. 2. Spiritual cleansing. This can symbolize spiritual cleansing, where yawning helps to purge negative or stagnant energy, fostering a purer connection to the divine. 3. Relaxation and receptivity. Yawning often reflects the body's natural shift into a relaxed, calm state, making you more open and receptive to spiritual insights during prayer. 4. Spiritual awakening. In some spiritual traditions, yawning can signal an awakening or heightened spiritual awareness, attuning you more deeply to the presence of the divine. 5. Need for oxygen. On a physical level, yawning increases oxygen intake, which can happen if breathing becomes shallow during intense focus or deep prayer. 6. Distraction or disengagement. Repeated yawning might indicate that focus or engagement is wavering, suggesting a need to renew concentration or intention. 7. Response to spiritual energy. Yawning may also be a response to strong spiritual energy or the presence of powerful intentions in prayer, signifying a deep connection to the moment. 8. Transition and interchange. Yawning can symbolize inner transitions, marking shifts in spiritual states or a deepening of one's connection with the divine. While yawning during prayer is generally natural, observing the context and frequency can offer personal insights. If yawning is frequent, techniques like deep breathing or gentle meditation may help enhance focus and openness.